We're done halfway the lap.
Yeah, I'm starting to feel that devil bean burger.
Oh.
It's starting to work its way through. But we're over 300, so you can relax a bit if you want.
Yeah, we can slow down
still accelerating.
Here. Yeah, okay. I want to show you a trick. Car is so attractive that it even had a wasp hidden in the trunk somewhere because I closed it previously. Maybe the wasp is gone. Oh no, the wasp is not gone. Wasp was in the trunk. Go away. Okay, forget about the wasp content. What I want to show you, this button is very cool because you don't have to touch the trunk to close it. Anyway, Lucid Air Sapphire, extremely exciting car that I had the pleasure of driving last year already on the Nürburgring, but unfortunately the track was very wet. I only managed... Everyone wants to have a look at the Sapphire. Back then, I only managed to do 285 kilometers per hour on the straight because it was raining and the wipers couldn't keep up with the amount of water was falling down with the addition of the speed, so therefore we had to slow down. So now I got the Sapphire again and we have better weather than last year. In addition, we also are taking it out on Destination Nürburgring Track Day. So big thank you to Darren and his team for allowing us with the opportunity to take out this fantastic car out there. Speaking of the car, speaking of the passenger, it's going to be one and only Ben Collins, the Stig. More on that during the lap itself. First, a bit about the car. The hyper performance EV GT super hyper sedan. 1250-ish horsepower, depends how you count, in which horsepower currency. Lots of space, track specific Pirelli Trofeo RS tires, especially developed for Lucid, because you can see here LM1, Lucid Motors 1, 265 on the front, 295 on the back. Ceramic brakes as well all around for lower rotational mass and high performance braking. We have Alcantara, interior Alcantara steering wheel, love those. We have also different seats compared to the stock car. We have different modes. So for Lap with Ben, we will be running endurance mode with track stability control and regen braking high, so you can do a bit of, what's it called? A bit of trail braking, you could say, and simulate the motor braking, engine braking. We have also Sapphire mode, we have Swift mode, we have Smooth mode. And yeah, this is sophisticated, dedicated track mode where you can do lots of other things while enjoying nice massage seats, yeah, on the lap. Fantastic. So yeah, also different interior over here, or let's say different graphics. Still lots of space. Other mods that include aerodynamic enhancements, a bigger front lip compared to the stock car. We have carbon mirrors, we have aluminum roof, opposed to the glass one on the Dream Edition, and we have extra ducktail that really helps to stabilize the rear, and torque vectoring on the back, so two independent motors that allow fantastic, phenomenal rotation of the car, and sometimes making your passengers completely sick. Yeah.
No, I've got a bad back, mate.
Yeah, I got a bad back? Okay. But that's something like mentioned for another video. For now, enjoy the lap we've done on the track day with Ben Collins. Alrighty, welcome to a very exciting lap. So last year I've done a Lucid, actually let's double check. So we have endurance mode, track mode, traction control on track, regen high because we love a bit of trail braking.
And I'll hit hot lap when you do your speed run.
Yes, I will remind you of that.
Yeah, I know it well.
Yeah. So I've done wet driving, or like a lap of the Nürburgring last year. Unfortunately, it started storming and raining, and yeah, wet lap was cool, but on the straight, the wipers couldn't keep up with the rain, and I had to back off at 285 because I was not seeing anything. I've done some dry driving in a Ascari. It was lots of fun, made me more curious for more. And yeah, right now we need to run. Ben has to catch his flight, so I'm doing sort of warm-up lap with cold Trofeo RS tires. So taking it easy.
I am not rushing you. I am not rushing this. No. You can get the tires warm.
Yeah. No,
okay.
don't worry.
Okay, good.
Don't worry.
What are we doing? Are you trying to VMAX this?
Just on the straight later, yeah.
Okay.
No, not VMAX. I just want to see number 3 in front.
Okay. What is that in real money? What is that in real money?
Oh, you mean miles per hour?
Yes.
186.
Okay.
Should be okay.
Okay.
Should be doable.
We're lifting for that kink though, aren't we?
Oh, 100%.
Yeah.
Well, not 100, but we'll try.
Yeah, you better. I'm going to be grabbing your leg.
All right. I think we should be good. Chop chop. Yeah, it's been raining.
There she is.
There she is.
I know this car quite well, actually.
Yeah, you've done some like testing, driving, development. Oh, there's a GT3 RS with the Montec kit behind us. So I usually like to lift before this.
Yeah.
Because yep, it scrapes tiny bit, settles. Woo! Oh, it's so fast.
The acceleration is
Yeah,
unreal,
it's really good. It's really, really good. We need to warm up the tires slightly.
What are we on?
Trofeo RSs.
Okay.
So we're really, really good. Yeah. Woo-hoo! The torque vectoring really wants to set you off.
Yeah.
Oh, I loved it. Like I said, in Ascari, I had a nice ride with actually head off who designed the torque vectoring system, the calibration and chassis.
Eric Bach?
No.
Oh, David Lickfold.
The girl. No, the lady. I forgot her name.
Oh yes. Yeah.
Fast car behind.
He's
He's fully in hot lap mode. We're not going to try to catch him because we're missing slightly bit of aero compared to the
yes, we are.
track car. Yeah,
But we've got the fire in the straights.
Yeah, we do.
It's nice to watch that thing. Looks good, huh? Nice one.
Oh, that takes curves very nicely.
Yeah.
Shout out to Bilstein for making a great suspension on this car, by the way. Very good. All right, then we go on the straight and flat. And that's where we're gonna get it. Kinda, but then there's a corner, so we need to take it easy through here. Bit of lift. La 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 la. How you doing, Ben? You okay?
Yeah, I'm okay.
Okay, that's good.
I think a lot of the laps are blurring together. I mean, I do know where I'm going a bit more now, which is good.
Yeah.
But I think now my mind is starting to contemplate the activity in general.
Yeah.
But no, it's good. I like the approach. I'm enjoying seeing the contrast between this and the Tesla I was just driving. So I was in that Model 3 Performance.
Oh yeah. Well, those are two completely different animals.
It is.
It's Woo. Okay, here we have some wet patches.
Yeah,
so
still wet.
We'll take it easy.
The big difference with this, apart from, well, there's lots of differences, but the biggest noticeable is that the power from 80 to beyond, isn't it?
Yes.
What is the top speed on this? Is
330 kilometers per hour, so it's like should be 200 miles per hour or
200
over.
plus 206, I think.
Yeah, something like that. Oh, the brakes are really good, and now that the tires are getting warm, the transition from left to right.
Oh, lovely.
Oh yeah.
Tails on the move.
Yeah. Those Trofeos are nice and warm now. Very, very nice.
What's great with this is the battery is predictable. You really get consistency. You know what you've got.
It's going very well. Yeah. And you have different modes, so you can set it for like drag race mode or hot lap mode or endurance, so you can do multiple laps. So what we've done now, as mentioned in the intro, we're doing endurance, so you can have also a bit of a go before you go back. You're going back to UK or you're flying somewhere else?
Back to UK.
Okay. Something exciting happening?
Actually, more filming, but for a different channel, for the gaming channel.
Oh, nice. Nice.
So
How's that going?
Well, I'm in some old 80s games.
Okay. Oh, really?
I found, my friends found an Outrun Deluxe, which is the first, like, motion rig, if you like. So
wow.
Full motion Outrun from 1986, which is
very
quite cool. And some other really gnarly games that, from back in the day.
Very nice.
Before you were born.
Yeah. What year again?
75.
Oh yeah, that's like 10 years. No, more, like 14. Let's not do math and driving at the same time. I'm very bad at that. So, but yeah, we're done halfway the lap.
Yeah, I'm starting to feel that Devil Bean Burger. It's starting to work its way through. It's the elevation change.
Yeah, and here we have like all the
looking at the horizon.
Yeah, just
what do you like as a passenger? You're pretty good.
I'm good. You know, the thing is, the good and bad thing is that I started my Nürburgring journey as an instructor. Yeah. I mean, this may sound weird. I mean, I've done, of course, some driving and like racing and stuff. But before I've been like gone full-time YouTube, I was full-time instructor, and I had to be with some really, well, without offending anyone, but it's a fact, with some very bad drivers who probably shouldn't even hold a driver's license, and they come to the racetrack.
On track.
Yeah, and you need to guide them on the world's most demanding racetrack.
Yeah.
And they want to get the fastest car they can possibly get, so they can show off in front of their friends. They don't have the driver skill.
Yeah.
And you go on the busiest Sunday with lots of traffic behind you. So there's a GT2 RS, GT3 RS, or a Lucid Sapphire flying up behind you while the guy is doing like 50 or something, you know? And it's like, yeah, exciting. So I had to look in the mirror, look with my peripheral vision where the guy is heading, and sometimes...
I don't know how you do that without dual pedals.
Yes.
There's no way, not at this track, no way.
Yeah.
Because it's so close, there's like less than a car's width to the barrier.
It is.
Riding is really good.
Yeah.
And brakes are still strong.
Yeah, you know what's my scariest ride ever is? It was a son gave a gift to his dad to drive the Nürburgring. Well, the son was like 55, dad was 85. And he decided to drive manual car that I think he hasn't driven in years.
Yeah.
And yeah, to go on the busiest Sunday of the year. Well, obviously, I don't like to judge book by its cover, because my best instruction lab with anyone was a 17-year-old girl that just had a driver's license and was not allowed to drive alone, so her dad had to come on the back seat. And it was the best lap ever. We were in the wet, we were overtaking supercars, because, you know, when you're young, your mind is not like messed up. You're like doing as you're told. You're not trying to do some stupid things yourself. And that was phenomenal. So like I said, I don't want to judge the book by its cover. So I went to go, and yeah, after the first lap I said, "Mister, sorry, you had your experience, but I refuse to give you like the second lap." And yeah, so that's how it went. Come on, bit of woohoo! Tiny bit of... Yeah, I'm trying to save the battery. I'm not... So the thing is with EVs, you need to be very gentle with brake and throttle inputs, so you can kind of preserve the battery. If you do instant discharge, it's not that good.
Yeah.
So when you look at all the lap record attempts, you see them being very smooth with the throttle. And like I said, for me, I would really love to see the number 300 on the dash once we come to the main straight, which will be soonish. So, but so far I've been really impressed.
I'm impressed. The vertical ride is very strong.
Really good. Yes. Right.
But I know they've done a lot of development here as well.
A lot.
This car,
Yeah. Those guys are really often here. Okay. So would you be so kind and tap the...
It's done.
It's done? It's on hot lap mode?
Yep.
Okay, so hopefully we're gonna unlock additional 200 horsepower. So let's aim our exit. La 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 la. Okay. And slingshot. So how was your day so far?
It's been pretty good.
Yeah.
I would say I've had a full range of experiences, ranging from nearly being sick by your hands to, well, we're over 300, so you can relax a bit if you want.
Yeah, we can slow down
here. Still accelerating.
Yeah, okay.
All right, you can.
All right.
Thank you. I appreciate that.
Yeah, you're welcome.
Yeah. Because this corner it remains a little bit of it's a challenging one.
Yeah. The thing is, you know, one of my worst crashes as a passenger I had in this corner, because someone decided also on the track day to go flat out and then lift the very, very last moment.
Yeah, I think it's one of those that you want some downforce, don't you? I think this car's great because it's been sculpted to cut through the air really efficiently, and it does create aero, but it's obviously not the same level as something with a huge wing on the back.
Yeah, and warm
But
tires.
that left-hander, you don't want the car to walk.
No.
And I think that it's so bumpy that it could just be something quite small that does it. All right, thank you. I was anticipating something more. That's great. Are you happy with this?
Yeah. Would you like to do last
I saw 307.
Yeah, no, 311, I think.
311.
Good job.
Great job.
Happy.
The thing with Misha is he just seems to just turn up with a different car every 5 minutes and then just surprise you with it. 1 minute he's got his crazy horse Mustang, and the next he's got a 1207 horsepower Lucid Sapphire. It's just how he rolls. It's just how he does it. Fair play. Anyway, car rode it like a champ. I think I was most nervous in the Mustang journey, the one that made me sick. But this was good. A little VMAX run on the ring, 307, 311. Well done, Misha.